Welcome to Life History YouTube channel. Here we discuss the biography of famous personality around the world. Today's topic is Jhulan Goswami. Jhulan Goswami was born on 25th November 1982 to a middle-class family in Chakda in the Nadia district of West Bengal. At the age of just 15, she took up cricket. She started taking an interest in cricket when she watched the 1992 Cricket World Cup on TV. In sport, she took further interest after watching Australian batter Belinda Clark in the 1997 Women's Cricket World Cup. But at the time, her town Chakda did not have any cricket facilities, and so he travelled to Kolkata to play cricket. After finishing her training in Kolkata, she was called up to the Bengal women's cricket team. In 2002, she made her international debut at the age of just 19 in a one-day international match against England in Chennai. On 14th January 2002, her test debut came against England in Lucknow. In 2006, she was earmarked for a leadership role when she was named as vice captain for the national team ahead of the Tour of England. She helped India to win the Test series, including their first victory against England. She made 50 as a night watchman in the first Test at Lancashire and took her career best match figure for 10 for 78, 5 for 33 and 5 for 45 in the second test at Taunton. This success made her the player of the series and also brought recognition at the Castrol Awards in Mumbai in September. Here she received a special award. Further, in 2007, she won the ICC Women's Player of the Year. This was the year when no Indian male player bagged any individual award. Soon after, she became the captain of the national team. She took over the captaincy from Mitali Raj later in 2008 and held it till 2011. She also became the fourth woman to reach 100 wickets in ODI at Asia Cup in 2008. She was awarded the Arjun Award in 2010 and she became the second Indian woman cricketer to receive Padma Shri after Diana Edulji in 2012. In 10 matches, she has 40 test wickets to her name and she has 271 international wickets in 223 games and has scored 1593 runs with 350s. During the Women's Quadrilateral Series, she achieved the feat. She also became the first woman cricketer to reach 200 wickets in one day of cricket in February 2018. She has 995 runs in 166 matches in ODI. She took 6 for 31 against New Zealand. She became the leading wicket taker in ODIs in May 2017 when she took her 181 wicket against South Africa at Oval. She was also part of the Indian team to reach the final of the 2017 Women's Cricket World Cup where the team lost to England by 9 runs. She took her 300 wicket in international cricket against Sri Lanka in September 2018. She was nominated in November 2020 for the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Decade Award. Jhulan Goswami was named in India's Test squad for their one-off match against the England women's cricket team in May 2021. She was named to India's team for the 2022 Women's Cricket World Cup in New Zealand in January 2022. She announced her retirement from international T20Is in August 2018. After her retirement, she was appointed as a bowling consultant for the India Women's National Cricket team under the head coach Ramesh Pawar. She is serving as the player coach in the Indian team. She got several awards. In 2012, she got Padma Shri Award, 2010 Arjun Award. Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma will soon be seen in Jhulan Goswami's biopic. The name of the film is Chak the Express. Talking about the film, Anushka wrote in her post, Chak the Express is inspired by the life and times of former Indian captain Jhulan Goswami, and it will be an eye-opener into the world of women's cricket. At a time when Jhulan decided to become a cricketer and make her country proud on the global stage, it was very tough for women to even think of playing the sport. This film is a dramatic retelling of several instances that shaped her life and also women's cricket. Anushka added from support system to facilities to having a stable income from playing the game to even having a future in cricket, very little. Jhulan and a fighting and extremely uncertain cricketing career, and she stayed motivated to make her country proud.